Hey, this is Daniel Norton. I'm here in my studio in New York City, and I'm doing a little still life project here. So I got this cool dice set as a gift, and I wanted to make a photo of it. So I brought it to my studio here. I've got it, it's kind of a cool wooden box with these wooden dice inside, and I thought it'd be nice to just add texture to it. So I got some of my old Apple boxes, and I've kind of stacked them up here behind me. And then I've lit it pretty simply, but yet enough to give it the definition that it deserves. So let me kind of show you what I'm doing here. So I'm using both a Profoto B1 and a B2. In the back, I've got the B1X with a strip box here. Let me turn that guy on for you. You can see. This is just giving me my backlight. So basically, when I fire this light by itself, I'm getting that. That's basically my separation, kind of giving me my three-dimensionality. Now, I should point out that if I didn't use it at all, I would just get a black frame. I'm eliminating all the light in the space. So if in the front here, I've got a 2-foot octagon with the grid on it. The grid so the light doesn't spill everywhere, right? This is giving me my kind of front or base light on this thing. And you can see here, that gives it a nice light in the front, but it doesn't have that kind of three-dimensionality. So you will notice, though, you probably am not hiding here. This is like a little bandana. I'm using this just to bounce some light back in on the side so I can see some of those dice. If I turn the backlight on as well, you guys can see the whole thing together. So this is going to give me that three-dimensionality. It's also going to give me the front light. You see how that adds that? But it still feels a little flat to me. So the final thing I want to add to this is just a little reflector fill from the front. So I've got this white card here. I'm just going to bring it in, and that fills it in, right? The dice all get their little glow on them. The unit itself has a nice kind of three-dimensionality. It's got the backlight to it. The front is lit. I've got textures. I've got kind of a cool angle, and it's a nice, simple shot. So, when you're going to photograph something, think about kind of what it looks like, and maybe pick a scene or a way to light it that will really emphasize those elements. In this case, wood grain texture, some reflection from the gold, and have some fun with it. So, thanks for watching. Be sure to follow me on social media at Daniel Norton Photographer. Be sure to subscribe to Adorama TV, and I'll see you next time on set.